Hi, and welcome back. This is Killzella, and today we're going to take a look at another game through Magma Mobile called Plumber. Apparently, there's a Plumber 2 that I didn't know about, but fuck it. I'm going to play this one anyway. Whatever's going on at the top of the screen, whatever ad bar they had up there, is freaking the fuck out. So, hopefully, you don't have epilepsy. So we have arcade or challenge mode. Let's go to arcade. I guess I'm supposed to connect. What the fuck? What is this, Tetris? This is Tetris. Holy shit, it's hard to move the right one. It really does. They don't make it easy to move the one you want to move. Uh, sure. Combo! Score multiplied by 2. I really don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. So I'm just going to keep clicking things and hoping that it works out. You know, that's pretty much what I do best. Oh, okay. Water cannot go through that one. Okay, so that's simple enough. I figured it's level 2. You told me that like a fucking month ago. Good job. It's really good. Proud of you. Proud of you. Holy shit. Don't freak me the fuck out with the fucking, oh my god. Don't freak me out like that. Oh, I gotta hustle. Fuck, I didn't know I had to fucking hustle. Well, I'm fucked. No, I want to fucking publish. Well, holy shit, that game is a piece of shit. Top to bottom, I don't know if this game was made back when phones were first invented, but the graphics are eh. The ad bar up top, I don't know what the fuck's going on with that. Totally shit. Um, this font is worse than anything I've ever seen before. I mean, it just looks blurry, the whole thing. I got a 4K fucking recorder, and I got the display on my phone is fantastic, and it still looks like shit. I can only imagine what the poor people with those individuals that don't have a better phone have to fucking look at when they look at this game. Um, Holy shit. Well, drop me a like, comment, tell me that I'm a horrible piece of shit. Because as you guys know from the first video, which you've better have fucking watched, um, I like being called a piece of shit. It turns me on in ways that I can't even discuss. So, good luck. Bye.